Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this layers packet. It's a forno. The flavor they have given it's forno, and what the ingredients extra they have added, it's labina and mint. So labina is kind of sauce, you could say, made up of many ingredients. So these baked potato chips. So these are the baked one, not the deep fry ones. That's really good. All the ingredients are mentioned over here, and you can read more about this, and nutritional information like fat and everything is mentioned over here. There's a website of there, and that's it. Nothing else to read about it. So let's not waste time and open this package. So I'm gonna open it. Okay. So this is how these chips looks like. You can see over here. These are the baked chips. Extra crunchiness. Very nice, tasty, and hope you can see the green color in it. Yeah, this is mint, and the texture of labana was there, and flavor. It's amazing. If you like this, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more videos. Thank you.